In today's video, we will be preparing temple style lemon rice recipe. This recipe is popularized by all temples in South India as a recipe for prasadam. Today, we will unfold the secrets on what goes into the recipe to make it so classical and special. Hi, welcome to Daily Recipes. Now we will see the procedure for this recipe. To a pan, add in 4 teaspoons of oil, and when the oil is hot, add in mustard seeds. Wait for mustard seeds to splatter, and once done, add chana dal. Following which goes in roasted and de-husked peanuts. Here I am using de-husked peanuts because it matches the contrast of the recipe. Once chana dal and peanuts are roasted, add asafoetida. Now add curry leaves, finely diced and crushed ginger. Once ginger is fried till rawness disappears, add chopped green chilies to it. Saute for a few seconds on low flame. Now add a pinch of turmeric powder, salt to taste, and turn off the flame. At this stage, your recipe is almost done. Lemon rice requires rice to be grainy and not lumpy. Rice has to be cooled for the next procedure. Now add in required amount of gravy to the rice. Adding in dash of lemon along with finely grated fresh coconut and diced coriander. Now enjoy the classic recipe at the comforts of your home. Consider subscribing if we have earned it. Follow us for more recipes like this, and please click like button. Please try this recipe and let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.